This is the Remote Control Archive 2025. I'll be putting back in this box where I found them. So, on the far right, we have a DVD remote. This is used to control DVD player. I think this is controlled a CD player as well. You've got your up, down, left, right, enter. You've got other buttons there. You've got the battery compartment on the back. That's remote number one. Remote number two is another TV remote of some kind. I don't think they ever used this one. Looks a bit like a Panasonic remote. The buttons are all awful-ish. It's got a joystick there. Ooh. Sorry, I'm not showing that remote properly, am I? Yeah, that's the joystick is towards the bottom. And you've got some other buttons. Not really sure what they do, but they're all clustered together. Feels quite weighty. Nice and shiny on the back. Next remote we have is a very, very small remote. Not really sure what it does. Or what it's for. That's a really small remote. There's the battery pack on the back. There's all the buttons. They're all clustered together, look. There's a Panasonic phone in the background, look. And then, the Sky remote. This is the old Sky Plus remote. The battery pack on the back. Then we have Skybox on. We have TV guide. We have interactive. We have volume up and down. We have up, down, select left and right. We have channel select. We have fast forward, pause, rewind. We have record, and then we have the button that selects all your recordings. Then we have red, yellow, green, and I forgot the other colour. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. There you go, that's your lot.